Hello friends, welcome to my channel Astro Kannadiga English. Yes friends, let us come to know about the fate line today. So this is a hand that I am taken to show you and to draw you what are the different kinds of fate lines present in the palm. So what are the different kinds of varieties of fate line? First of all, you must know what is the fate line. So fate line in the sense the line which may start from any part of the palm and reaching to the Saturn mount is considered as a fate line. That means to say it can start from here, that can start from here, that can start from here, like this. Any way, any part of the palm it is started, and it must be ended there in a Saturn mount. So then we call it as fate line. So then what is the importance of fate line? You have to understand. So the importance of fate line is, if the very clear fate line without having any breaks and also having any overlapping, means that person may going to achieve lot of success in his life. The clear fate line indicate lot of success, particularly financial success. So let us come to know what are the important varieties of fate lines we can found in a different palms in the different people. So firstly, if the fate line is started from the base of the palm and directly going towards the Saturn mount, is considered as auspicious. So this kind of a person, going to have a success since from the early childhood, means to say since from the childhood also is having a greatest success, everything and all those things. So that person going to be if that line is present, means he may born in a affluent family, or else even though he may born in a poor family, he is looked after by his parents in a very high manner. Even though they are taking risk, but this person is not facing the risk. Why? Because all the risk is faced by their parents. So such kind of things will be there. And if the fate line is started from the moon mount and directly going towards the Saturn mount, it's ended in the Saturn mount, means this indicate that this person going to get a lot of success with the help of a third person in his life. Who is third person? That means to say from his wife he may get success. That means to say after getting marriage he may get lot of success and money as well. So that is another thing. And moon indicate our happiness, our mother as well. So our happiness and mother both contribute to our success financially. So our mother having great role in our financial security as well, if this line present. And if the this kind of a line is present and going towards the, that means to say it started in a Venus mount going towards the Saturn mount, means this person usually, this Venus mount is considered as the symbol of beauty, symbol of prosperity, symbol of luxury. If the person is the fate line is starting from here and going towards the Saturn mount, means this person going to have a lot of security, a lot of yes, of course, prosperity, and a lot of great prosperity will be there with the help of his wife, means to say his wife. If the if this hand is belongs to husband, means his wife. If it is this hand is belongs to female, means it indicate the husband. So with the help of husband or wife is going to get a lot of success. And this kind of the fate line is starting from here and going towards the Saturn mount, usually they will get a lot of prosperity in his life, and they may go most probably they may having greatest talent in a music, dance or something else. So that is another important thing you have to keep in your mind. So next one you have to keep in your mind is this line is also telling that the person who is having this line may going to have a great cinema career as well. He may become great actor as well. So if the line is starting from negative Mars, means Mars indicates the courage, earth and all those things. By courage, by land, he may get greatest success financially. We can say these are the important things we can come to know about fate line. I hope you understood. If you understood and you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my videos, and watch out for same kind of video in the future as well. I hope you like it. Thank you very much friends. Have a nice day.